So student, now let us see some of the example. Example number 1, here we have to convert into the mixed fraction. Now the solution part, you can see it's an improper fraction. To convert into the mixed fraction, what they have done it, you can see it here. They have kept 5 outside, which was the denominator. The denominator is being kept outside and the numerator is being kept inside. So inside the jail, the big number is there, and outside the jail, small numbers are there always. So we'll start with this one. On dividing it, 5 on the 5, and on solving, the remainder comes out to be equals to 2. So how we are supposed to write it? So 72 upon 5 can be written as this quotient part. The answer part, which we used to say, which is a whole number, is written first. Then whatever the remainder is coming upon in the denominator through which we have divided, which is said to be the divisor here, which is 5. You must be knowing these method how to convert into the mixed fraction. Now to convert the mixed fraction into the improper fraction, what we have to do, we multiply the whole number by the denominator. That is 14 into 5 will be done first, and then we'll add plus 2 to the result divided by 5. Now you can see here they have given an example 8 3 by 10. So what they have done, 8 into 10 plus 3 upon 10, which comes out to be 83 by 10. So this is a mixed fraction and this is an improper fraction. Now let us come to the C part. The denominators of the given fractions are 5, 2 and 4. LCM has been taken 20. Multiplying by the number such that the denominator comes out to be 20 in each case. So we are getting in this manner the like fraction. These are said to be the like fraction, the fractions having the same denominator. So we can convert any type of fraction, or we can say unlike fraction, to the like fraction by multiplying by the respective numbers. Now try this part, you have to do it in your classwork copy. Convert into the improper fraction, as it's been very much clear and it's very simple. We multiply, and whatever the result we get it, we add it with the number and upon whatever the denominator is there. Converting into the mixed fraction, we have to divide. 11 will be kept outside and 69 will be inside, and we'll start our division. 11 6 is 66, and the results will be coming out to be 6 3 by 11. Similarly, you have to do it. Converting into the like fraction, we have to take the LCM of 5 4 and 8, and whatever the numbers comes, we will multiply by their respective numbers and we will get the result. Now addition and subtraction of the like fraction, which we have done it earlier. Now the two conditions are there. If the denominators are same, then the addition is very simple. Addition as well as subtraction, we have to add the numerators and we get the result. Subtraction of the like fraction, in the same case, if the denominators are same, simply we have to subtract and you will get the result. Now the case come when it's unlike fraction. That's case. In this case, what we have supposed to do, first of all, we'll take the LCM of these two numbers, 21 and 3, which comes out to be equals to 21. So 21 will be multiplied by 1 and 1 by 3 will be multiplied by 7, so that I am having the same denominators. Now we can add them. So the 2 by 21 plus 7 by 21 comes out to be 9 by 21. Cancelling it from the number 3, it comes out to be 3 by 7. So in the tips it says that we can express the answer in the simplest form, that is 9 by 21 is the simplest, as 3 by 7 by dividing by the denominator by numerator and denominator by the number 3. Now we'll again take one more example, 15 and 6, which LCM comes out to be 30, making their denominator same by multiplying by the numbers, and then we are supposed to subtract and we are getting the results. Again, a try this is there for the addition and subtraction part. Do these questions in your classwork copy.